Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Tackle grime, patios, cars, and siding with a reliable cleaner that saves time, water, and effort around your home. Best electric power washer for home use delivers strong pressure, easy setup, quiet operation, and compact storage for everyday cleaning tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Power Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 Power Washer is an excellent choice for homeowners who want strong cleaning performance in a compact, easy-to-store design. With up to 2500 max PSI and 1.76 GPM at lower pressure, it delivers more than enough power to handle everyday outdoor cleaning tasks, such as washing driveways, decks, patio furniture, fencing, and vehicles. Its rated 2000 PSI and 1.2 GPM provide consistent performance while remaining efficient and controlled. The Pro-style steel extendable wand feels durable and well-built, and the Quick Connect nozzle system makes switching between 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap application fast and hassle-free, allowing you to adapt to different cleaning needs without slowing down. One of the standout features of the EPX 3500 is its super compact and lightweight construction. At just 19 pounds and 16.5 inches tall, it's easy to move around the yard, lift into storage, or transport between jobs. Number 2. LWQ Portable Power Washer. The LWQ Portable Power Washer is designed for users who want high cleaning efficiency combined with convenience and versatility. With water flow reaching up to 2.5 GPM, this pressure washer delivers strong performance that can easily tackle dirt, grime, and buildup on a wide range of surfaces. It is well suited for cleaning driveways, patios, cars, and outdoor furniture, offering reliable results while saving both water and energy. Its ability to clean objects with complex shapes makes it especially useful for household and automotive applications. The LWQ washer includes 4 metal Quick Connect nozzles with varying pressure levels from 0 degrees to 40 degrees, along with a foam cannon for detergent application. This setup allows you to customize spray intensity depending on the task, whether you're blasting stubborn stains or gently rinsing delicate surfaces. The detergent bottle design prevents chemicals from passing through the pump, which helps protect internal components and extend the washer's lifespan. Number 3. MZK Patio Power Washer. The MZK Patio Power Washer is a strong contender for homeowners seeking high-pressure cleaning with added flexibility and mobility. Delivering up to 3.0 GPM of water flow, this electric pressure washer provides deep cleaning performance, capable of removing stubborn dirt from driveways, patios, decks, cars, and outdoor furniture. Despite its powerful output, it remains water and energy efficient, making it suitable for regular use without excessive consumption. Its ability to handle complex shapes and varied surfaces adds to its overall practicality. This washer comes equipped with 4 Quick Connect metal nozzles ranging from 0 degrees to 40 degrees, giving users precise control over spray intensity. The included foam cannon allows for effective detergent application, and the detergent bottle is designed so chemicals do not pass through the pump, helping to protect internal parts. These features make the MZK washer adaptable for both heavy-duty and light-duty cleaning tasks. In terms of usability, the 21-foot hose and 17-foot power cord provide ample reach, reducing the need to constantly reposition the unit. Number 4. Greenworks Pro Power Washer. The Greenworks Pro Power Washer stands out as a premium option for users who demand professional-level performance from an electric pressure washer. Powered by a 14-amp true brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 3000 PSI and 2.0 GPM, resulting in up to 3,300 cleaning units. This level of power makes it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning jobs such as concrete driveways, siding, large decks, and tough outdoor grime. All performance claims are independently tested and verified, providing confidence that the washer delivers exactly what it promises. Greenworks' jet flow technology is a notable highlight, offering up to 50% more flow for faster rinsing and the ability to reach higher areas with ease. This makes large cleaning tasks quicker and more efficient. The washer includes a rugged metal spray gun, and a durable 25-foot Uberflex hose that resists kinking and tangling, ensuring smooth operation during extended use. Accessory support is excellent, with multiple spray tips included. Number 5. Commowner 33-foot Power Washer. The Commowner 33-foot Power Washer is built for users who want extended reach, durability, and dependable performance in one package. The upgraded 33-foot high-pressure hose is a major advantage, allowing greater mobility and coverage without constantly repositioning the unit. It is widely compatible with other pressure washer accessories, including surface cleaners, extension wands, turbo nozzles, and foam cannons, making it a versatile option for a variety of cleaning setups. Performance is another strong point. The Commowner pump is designed for longevity and reduced maintenance, delivering consistent pressure capable of removing stubborn grime from hard surfaces. Whether you're cleaning driveways, decks, or vehicles, the washer provides reliable power that gets the job done efficiently. The included 4 universal quick connect spray tips cover a wide range of cleaning needs, from intense 0-degree pressure for tough stains to gentle 40-degree spray for fragile surfaces. The 500 milliliter foam cannon produces thick, rich foam, making car washing and detailing easier and more effective. Choosing the right washer makes routine cleaning faster and far more satisfying. A dependable electric model offers solid performance without the noise or maintenance of gas units. Pick one that matches your needs and enjoy cleaner outdoor spaces with minimal effort.